Okay, happy Monday, y'all. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Whew, I did not want to come to work this morning. I know that. Did not want to come, but I'm here. I'm finna get this week going. I got a couple of things I have to do this morning. I gotta go to Sam's. I gotta record some videos, some parts to a video. Of course, do my Vlogtober. But also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Yeah, y'all, so let's get this Monday going. We're gonna make this a happy Monday, make me smile Monday, even though I would love to be at home. So let's get this one going. It's kind of cool this morning, y'all. Man, everybody about it this morning. Shit, all the buses gone. Wow. And I know I'm late, but I ain't that late. Jeez. Okay, let's get this one going. I don't even know if y'all can see what I got on. That a Tory shirt, orange ones. That's what it is today. Let's see if y'all can see. Bus leaving. Hey, good morning. Whew, I know. Made my way into, let's see, there goes some more deals, y'all. I'm at Sam's now. Got a couple of clearance items. There goes some more. Which is a super good price. Did y'all see? All of these leggings are $2. So I bought myself and Damani some. Yeah, Lord knows I don't need any more leggings because I have so many. But they're super cute. Goodness, I didn't mean to spend that much money in Sam's. I think I spent about $100, but I got such really good deals that I couldn't pass up. Like I showed y'all, those leggings were like $2, so I got some for me and some for my daughter. And I didn't actually know because they look like they run a little small. So for myself, I got a large and an extra large, and for Damani, I got her a size medium. So I'm figuring if I can't fit the large, then I'll just move up to the extra large, and if she can't fit the mediums, she'll just move up to the large, and then we'll just return the medium ones. Oh my god, they had so many clothes on clearance, super cheap, $2. They had shirts for $5. I think I bought like 1 or 2. They had these little sweaters. I don't even know if I showed those. Let's see. They had these. Let me mount the camera. They had these little sweaters right here. These were $2. I didn't show y'all these. They kind of like high-low, kind of high in the front with the little split on the sides and then long in the back. But I had to get a size small. But I think they're oversized. If they don't fit, then I'll return this too. And then I bought this color, and then I bought a blue one in a medium. They didn't have any large. And then I just bought pizza, bread, and stuff like that. That's really all I came for, was bread, pizza, soda, milk, and coffee cream. Also, this is back. If y'all drink this eggnog with yo Crown Royal caramel, the salted caramel Crown Royal, this is really good with it. So this is back out. Sam's is the cheapest. Sam's and Walmart is the cheapest place that you could buy it. I think it was like $5, like in my regular grocery store, like a Schnucks or a Dealburg's. I know y'all don't have those in y'all area. It's like $7. So I bought one more of this. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully, well, I already know I'm probably gonna buy a couple of more. But yeah, this is pretty good. Like I said, you could mix the drink with eggnog, salted caramel Crown Royal, a dash of nutmeg or cinnamon, and a splash of cream soda. You got a really, really good holiday drink. It don't even have to be holidays. If you just like eggnog, because you know this the only time eggnog come out is around holidays. So yeah, I got that. And I'll be making my drink. And now I'm finna head to Trader Joe's so I could get this orange chicken. And then I'm done. And I could head on home, unload this car, and then head back to work. Okay, yeah, I'm finna head back to work. I can never figure out what color lipstick I want to wear. Ever. Every day I do the same thing. But that stuff I found at Sam's. It was just a really good find for me, y'all. Cause y'all know, really not paying attention. Always pay attention to what you're doing. Cause I put the car in drive. I'm finna drive in the garage. But wait a minute. Turn her back on. Jeez. Woo. Okay. Like I said, the stuff that I found at Sam's was a really, really good deal. Also, when I went to Trader Joe's, I found some really good things. Well, not clearance things, but like new items that I've never tried before. Like, they had this soup, this harvest soup, and I guess it only comes out around Halloween or fall, the beginning of fall, I guess. And they were sampling it. It was actually pretty good. And I ended up buying some. I ended up buying a bottle of it and eating it for lunch. It was actually really good. And I bought this cowboy caviar salsa. It has, I insert pictures of this stuff I'm talking about, but it has like corn, peppers, super spicy for me because I don't eat spicy. Corn, black beans, jalapeno, chipotle peppers, onions. It was actually really good. And it has like a spicy sweet flavor. It was actually really good. But I only ate a little bit of it inside the soup. I mixed the two together because the soup has like a pumpkin and squash chunks on the inside of it. It's actually, like I said, it was actually really good. It was almost like an adult version of Kimble's tomato soup, but it was really good. Yeah, that's what I had for lunch. Now I'm on my way back to work. Yeah, that's all I really had to do today. I didn't really have much to do. I'm finna get this last little part of my day in, and I guess I'll come back this afternoon when I